So you might be trying to figure out how you can get dual applications on your particular iPhone. Now, what does this mean? Well, on iOS 18 and on iOS 17 or possibly 16, and there were some ways of getting dual application like the way they look on your app screen. But the first thing I would recommend doing is, first of all, seeing which particular application you're trying to, If you're trying to make two different instances of the app, what I would recommend doing is going inside of your app store and seeing if there's another version of that application that's available there. There are some applications that have multiple different apps that are available for it that do the same thing. So by typing WhatsApp, there are, two different WhatsApp applications that are native. There's the WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp for Business. So if you're trying to go through and get like two different WhatsApps, you can just download two different WhatsApp applications here. There's also Instagram, like the standard Instagram app that if you want to download, that there's also sometimes a website component of it. So you can go through and, get just basically find the website component of the particular app application. So Instagram.com, things like that can also go and show up here. That's another thing I would recommend doing now. If you're trying to go through and just get multiple apps to kind of show up on your particular display, what you can actually do there is you can actually pull up the particular application by holding down on the app just like this and moving it around and then pulling it just like so. And then doing the same thing over and over again, holding down on the app from your app library, pulling it to the side and bringing it back into your home screen. And you will see that you can have multiple instances of the same exact application. So you can just kind of keep doing this over and over again, just however many times you want to. So that's an option that you kind of have. So although it's kind of annoying, you do kind of have that option too. So those are a few different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helped me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button.